Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering WASSCE 2018 Mathematics Past Question 3. Given that y varies inversely as the square of x, if x is equals to 3 when y equals to 100, find the equation connecting x and y. A, yx squared is equals to 300. B, yx squared is equals to 900. C, y is equals to 900 over x. And D, y is equal to 900 squared. Now, this is an inverse variation, and we're given that y varies inversely as the square of x. Simply means that what y varies what inversely as the square of x. So from this you can see what y is equals to k all over x squared. Now this k is a constant which is introduced because we are changing this proportionality sign into what an equation sign. Now from here we can say k, which is a constant, is equals to yx squared. So from this, when x equals 3 and y equals 100, we can say k is equals to 100 multiplied by 3 squared, and this is equals to 100 multiplied by 9, and this is equals to 900. So that means the constant k is 900. Now from this we can say what, using this we can now say y is equals to 900 all over x squared. So therefore yx squared is equals to 900, and this is option B. So this is the formula connecting x and y, and that is option B. Yx squared is equals to what, 900. Thank you and God bless you. And subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.